गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। आनन्दभैरवसमारब्धां दक्षिणामूर्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। अवतारस्वरूपिण्ये साक्षात् त्रिपुरसुन्दरी मायम्मारूपधारिण्ये तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। Friends, last episode we have covered 9 slokas of Kularnava Tantra. The first chapter of Kularnava Tantra, it discusses about the human life and how a common man thinks about himself and how he has to gradually develop his progress in spiritual way. So the 10th mantra, तत्तज्जादियुदं देहं आयुर्भोगश्च कर्मजं प्रतिजन्म प्रबध्यन्ते मानुषा मूढचेतसा. In this shloka, Mutachetasa is very important. What is the word meaning of Mutachetasa? The man who is completely involved in material pleasure without thinking his own higher consciousness, he is called a Mutachetasa. This man, as I told you in the last episode, he is subjected to birth and deaths. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani jatare shayanam. Iha samsare bahudustare krapayavare pahimurare. It takes birth, live according to his karma, and he thinks that is the highest happiness in life and dies. Again he takes birth. Sri Ramakrishna very clearly tells a story that a fisherman comes and spreads his net. Some fishes, it jumps out before he tightens the net, and some fishes, it uses its teeth and it escapes. And there are some fishes, it keeps the net in the mouth and go under the mud and think that I am safe. So, many a percent of human beings, he keeps the net in the mouth and indulges into the mud and thinks that I am safe. And that type of person is called Mutachetasa. Sushmalinga sharirandada mokshadakshayam priye Stavara kriyaschabhya pakshinapashavo naram. Hey Priye, Shiva says to Parvati, this Sushmalinga Sharira, the time of death gives up the gross body. Inside the gross body, there is Linga Sharira, that is called Sukshma Sharira. This Sukshma Sharira is made up of Pancha Pranas. Actually, it is Dasha Pranas, mainly Pancha Pranas. And it goes on taking birth. It is not necessary that a human being after death, he has to become a human being. He may be a bird or an animal or a creature or a tree. According to his karmas, he takes birth, again he dies. But finally, that next shloka it says, Dharmikas Tridasha Staddat Mokshinaccha Yatakramam Chadurvida Sharirani Dritva Sahasrasha Sugradatmanam evotva Jnani Chon Mukshamapniyat. So there are Udbijas, Andajas, Shvetajas, Jarayujas. So these are the birds. Udbijas are the trees, flowers or creepers and everything. Andajas are the pakshi, that means the birds. Shvetaja are the funguses and all that. And Jarayuja is from the womb of the mother. So finally he comes as a human being. So many places, even in Bhagavad Gita it says, Yoyam bhuktam swargalogam vishalam kshine punnye martyalogam vishanti. By doing lot of punya karmas, he may go to even to Swargaloga. He may go to Naragaloga doing papa karmas. But for creating new karma and attaining mukti, Kshine Punye Martyalogam Vishanti, he has to come back to human body. That is the importance of human being. Human life is the only life that is called, it is called Karma Sharira. In human life, we can create new karmas. We can enjoy the old karmas and create new karmas. That is what it is said, Ahara Nidra Bhayamaidunanja Samanyamedat Pashubirnaranam. Ahara, food, Nidra, sleep, Bhaya, fear, Maiduna, sex, and all these things are common in human beings and common in animals also. Then what differentiates man from animals are the Jnanam naranam adigo vishesha jnanena hina pashubhis samana. Jnana is the very important thing. Through jnana, man creates new karmas. Creating new karmas, he decides the next life. So many people, when they are in suffering, they will start scolding God. I am doing this puja, I am doing this japa, I am doing this, I am doing that. I am going every year to such and such temple. In house I do a lot of worship. Still I am suffering. Why? Where is the place of God? Your suffering and happiness has no connection with your puja or your worship or your temple visits or whatever it may be. It is the results of the past karmas which you have done. So when you do now worship, go to temple, go to this, read so many sacred books, and if you attain jnana, the next life will be clear and proper. So this is what even all our shastras, even Kularnava Tantra also says.